If you were wondering where to buy a Saatva mattress, look no further. Saatva only sells their mattresses online. With a no-risk 365-night home trial and free white glove mattress delivery and setup, it can't be any easier. If you aren't completely satisfied, you can return for a full refund less a $99 processing fee. They also remove your old mattress for free. And here's an added bonus. You can save up to $925 off the original price. That's a huge deal. Here's how you can get it. First, you can get another $50 discount on top of any other discounts. This is a stackable discount that you can use with any other offer. Second, for select individuals, you can get an extra $225 discount. Check to see if you qualify. Third, depending on your purchase amount, you can get up to a $650 factory discount right now. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss it. That's it. You can get up to $925 off premium mattresses with these discounts. All you have to do is click the links in the description or the comment section below and claim your discounts today. Hurry, these offers won't last long.